I ordered the Neo on September 5th when it was released by DJI, and it arrived 4 days later. Here I am testing the follow modes of the drone on my afternoon exercise walk. This was one of the tricky bits of the walk I do. I go down this staircase, and the drone is in medium height mode and has to follow me down these stairs. It did get very close to the handrail there, but it made it around. Here's a tricky part: turn a 90-degree corner around the trees, and it follows very well. Here we'll try the direction track, where the drone is actually flying in front of you and it's actually flying backwards, and as you move forward it keeps you in view. This is the medium height, and now we're into the higher height. Here we have to go to a 90-degree corner, which it does well as well. Here we have to go through a close spot of trees where the branches overhead cover in the path. This area is a big open area, so we could try some of the other modes that the Neo has. And the first one we'll give a try is the circle mode. This is a 10-meter circle. Here we'll try one of the dronies, 20-meter high, and it records video going up and stops the video recording and starts a new file as it comes down. Now we're going to try hike back up the hill with some low overhead branches, and thinking backwards, it would have been better to do this with the drone at the medium height as opposed to the high. So I get about 3/4 of the way up, and then I encountered some trees. We're just hitting the trees now, and I changed it to follow mode with the medium height and finish the walk up the hill. Change it to backwards flying mode. This young fella thought the drone was very keen. Backward with the high height. We just about finished our loop, so we're back at the house. We'll do a sharp turn. We have to look. There's enough room for the drone to fit under the eave troughs or the gable of the house. Seems to be make it okay. Now here we climb up the stairs, and of course the drone is going up, and it's right on the top of the gables. Now I noticed if I squat down, the drone actually descends a little bit, so I can kind of creep down low, and the drone will just make it through the door into the house. And that's the end of my trip. Thanks for watching. This is my set of accessories for the drone.